Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Working through previous year's exam papers is an excellent way to revise and prepare for your ABRSM Music Theory exam. I've worked through every single question of every past exam paper in grades 1 to 5 from 2014 to 2018 to help you to really get to grips with your knowledge of music theory. In addition to these past exam papers, ABRSM have provided free sample papers to show the newly revised exam paper layout. Working through these free papers is a super way of getting some extra revision and exam prep in. I've worked through every question of these sample papers to help you as well. In this short video, you'll find links in the cards and in the description box to all 4 videos to work through each question of Grade 1 Sample Paper Y. Grade 1 draws on all of the information from the Music Theory and Practice workbook. If you click on the link to the playlist in the description box, you'll find videos where I work with you step by step through each question in the workbook. As an additional help, if you go to my website, you can download some free PDF information sheets to accompany each step of this series. There's also a page on my website with all of my YouTube videos listed there, and you can find out about the books that I have available too. I've written an exam technique guide, how to take your ABRSM Music Theory exam. It's full of tips and hints on how to best be prepared for your exam and also how to make the best use of your time on exam day. So if you visit sharonbill.com, you'll find it all there. If you can give me a like, that would be really super, and please do subscribe and share out the videos. Enjoy your studies. See you next time. Bye.